Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by collecting the exact purchase evidence you already control. Sign into the account you used to buy Euro Truck Simulator 2 and open order history. You need the transaction date and order number. Once done, search your email for receipts or license messages using exact phrases like Euro Truck Simulator 2 and the payment method. Make sure to download PDFs or save screenshots for proof. This reduces bouncing between support channels and speeds recovery when you proceed to platform-specific retrieval steps. Now you work platform by platform to extract the product key. On Steam, open your library, right-click ETS2, choose Properties then CD keys, or view the original store receipt in your account. Some keys are tied to orders not visible in-game. For Epic, check your account purchases and the confirmation email where keys sometimes appear. If you bought from a retailer, sign into that site, open order details, and download the key PDF. Keep notes of account names and any reference numbers as you go. Finish by redeeming the key on the target platform and testing launch. Copy and paste to prevent typing errors. If you cannot find a key or activation fails, immediately contact platform or retailer support. Include order ID, transaction screenshot, and account email so they can verify ownership. Make sure to mention region restrictions or previous activations because those common issues speed resolution. If support is slow, escalate with a clear timeline and keep screenshots. You'll often get a quicker outcome when you're organized and concise.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.